Nikki from Clean Nikki Hair. I'm just going to show you how to touch up your hair after you've slept on it for a couple of days. So this is probably day 3 and I just want to freshen up my curls. See, the front's gone all flat and it's a bit kinky at the bottom. So I'm just going to touch it up. First up, I'm going to use Dry Me by EIMI. It's a Wella product. It's one of my favorites. It's a dry shampoo. So you just spray it into your hair, section off, give it a good shake, spray it in, and it just removes any excess oil in your hair, and it also creates a nice texture. So sometimes I use it even when my hair is clean, and it just adds a really nice texture. So if you just brush it into your hair as well, so section it off. This is really good for people who don't want to wash their hair every day as well. Alright, so I'm going to not section every section, I'm just going to touch it up. Split my hair in the middle, do 2 sections. Section off this part here. So today I'm going to use the GHD curve wand. So it's wider through the top, through here, and then it narrows down and gives a nice spiral wave. So with this section here, there's bits that I still really like, so that bit there is still quite good. So I'm just going to focus on the front area. So take a nice section, you can be thick or fine, however you feel, and just wrap it around and just hold it for a couple of seconds. The longer you hold it, the tighter it will be. And then just pull it out, and I like to just stretch the curl down so it's not too curly. I just want a little bit of a bend. And then I'm just going to pick up my next section where I think I need another wave. So with this look, it's quite nice to alternate. So the previous one I went underneath, this one I'm going to go over the top. And then pull it out. So then you've got waves that go both ways. I'm going to add one under here as well. I just want a bit of a bend in that. And then I'll make this section off. My next section. So through the front of the hair, I like to go away from my face. So I've actually taught myself how to use my left hand when I do my own hair. I cannot do it on clients to save myself, but I can do it on myself just because I found with my right hand it was a little bit tricky. So if you can teach yourself to use your left hand when you're curling, it's much easier. So then you just pull it down and then just continue. So I want some bits to look straight on the end, so I'm not going to curl every section. And you can leave a little bit of hair out. You don't have to curl all the way. And then that way when you pull it out, it's a bit straight on the ends. So obviously the smaller my section, the curlier the curl is. And then the thicker the section, the more of a wave it gives. So if you're happy with that, just go a little bit thicker. I'm just going to redo that piece. Do that. And bottom and the top. So as you can see, I only had 3 sections. So the bottom section, the middle, and now the top. Again, away from the face. I'm not going to curl all the way to the bottom because I want the front to be a little bit straighter. So front's a bit straighter. And then because my top section is quite thick, I'm going to go vertical and take my sections a little bit long ways that way. So the thicker your section as well, you need to hold it a little bit longer too, for the heat to penetrate through all that hair. And then I don't mind that curl there. I'm just gonna give it a little bit of a zhoosh. And then I'm gonna do, you see, it's just giving it a little bit of life, just to freshen it up. You know, 3-day-old hair. And now do the other side. So continuing that on. And because we've sprayed the dry meat, it's going to give me a nice texture as well and some extra hold. So again, just randomly picking up where I need a bit of extra wave. And as you can see, it's very quick, leaving the very ends out. This is also a tool that I love to use in the salon. It's very quick and it gives me that nice beachy wave. Alright, so I'm done. Let me give it a bit of a shake. So full of volume, texture, my ends are still straight how I wanted them to be. It's almost that lived-in curl. So there you go, freshened up curls, ready to go. Didn't take me too long. And then if you wanted to, you could just leave it. I'm going to add some Mystifying Light, also by EIMI. Just give it a nice little spray. And off you go. All done. Nice, beachy. Super easy, super quick, love it.